Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Quan, part-time reseller based out of Cleveland, Ohio. Welcome to my channel, Student with Life. Today, I'm heading out to Savers thrift store. I'm gonna go to two of them over here on the west side of Cleveland. See what I can find. Today is half off day, so that's a good thing. Haven't been consistent lately, so I'm trying to make it back. But heading out here. I haven't been really getting a lot of inventory because since I've been doing this, and I kind of limited of things that I buy, or at least how much that I buy now, because because I'm at a point yet where I have a cash flow that's I could just continue. No, I could just buy larger and larger bunks at a time. I'm trying to work up to that point, but I limit to what certain things that I buy, because back when I started, I was just buying whatever, pretty much just buying, and now I'm sitting with a lot of inventory that's been sitting for a while, and I'm trying to make ways to get it out. Some stuff I send to this consignment place, auction site that I usually mess with, and I win certain things, whatever. But I send things that I feel I can still get some money for, and send it to them and just get whatever I can out of it. And a lot of things I just send back to I just give away back to Goodwill. But I'm almost here to this thrift store, and I'm just blabbing. But let me just go ahead and cut it off from here, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Well, I'm here, and as you can probably see, there's a line. I'm just going to have to see how this is going to go. Hopefully I get in here pretty quick, but it looks like it's moving. It might not be okay. It might not be too bad, but I'll see you guys in there. right, y'all. I'm out of there, and I am to Savers number 2 here. I think I got I got a nice little amount of little things. Spent $28 even altogether. Everything's half off, so that makes things a little bit better. So I'm here now at the second one, and I'm going to get ready to head on in there. Get my camera ready. And I will see you guys soon. Small line here. First right, y'all. Back and I am done for today. 2 savers. I spent $32.90. This is for the second one. The first one is $28 even. So all together here. So combined all together, I paid $60.90. So that's pretty good. I mean, for a half off day. So by that being half off, it would have been $120. So I should be able to make a couple dollars off of the other findings that I have. Everything's in there. Hopefully the video is good enough for you guys. I mean, I'm still learning and trying to get adjusted and comfortable with being out here recording and whatnot, but try to give y'all guys as much as I can. I'm Quan, and I will see y'all guys once again. Please like and subscribe. Peace.